I used to be 320 pounds, and I've lost 160 pounds naturally with no loose skin. And today I'm going to tell you some of my favorite hacks.
Yeah, and what finally worked, because let's face it, you had a lot of plateaus and you had to break through them. And you didn't give up when you plateaued.
We noticed that 79.2% of you are not subscribed. So if you're not subscribed, what are you doing? Come subscribe. We give you 5 days a week of free weight loss advice. And I mean, come on. It's a pretty cool vibe over here. So I'd love it if you'd come join. We really appreciate all of your support. So please don't forget to subscribe. The first step for anyone watching this video, if you're on a weight loss journey, would be to step it up. Consistently step it up. And what I mean by that is doing a little bit more every day, whether that's eating less starchy carbs, or whether that's walking a little bit farther to the mailbox, or walking to your front door if that's where you're at. Like wherever you're at, just do a little bit more.
It's true, because your body loves adversity, and if you keep doing the same thing over and over again, you will stop getting results. And that's why our accountability group is such a great resource for our members, because as soon as they hit a wall, like, hey, I'm not losing weight, the things I've been doing everything right, and it's not working anymore. And it's like, well, actually it is still working, but you do need to step it up. And here's how.
Second point is eliminating flour and sugar. And before you roll your eyes, this saved my life because I was heavily addicted to these foods. They're made to be addictive. That's why sugar is more addictive than cocaine.
And you were hooked. I mean, like a full-blown addict.
I stole money from you.
You did.
I did crazy things.
You hid. I think hiding, if you're hiding in the dark and eating, you have a problem.
And I had a problem. And the way I solved that problem was by completely getting rid of it.
And it wasn't through therapy, and it wasn't through taking a weight loss medication. It wasn't through being strict. It was actually, well, you decided to. But this flour and sugar thing is really big, and it's a key that I think a lot of people are missing. They think, well, I can have my cake and eat it too. And we actually agree with that, but you do need to learn to make it out of different ingredients.
And that is what's so amazing about the Step It Up method that we created in our 5-part framework that you can get all access to in our 30-day challenge, which you can sign up for with the link in the description. But I'm telling you guys this because you can still eat cake, but you just make it out of different ingredients. And you use things like allulose and buckwheat. And you guys maybe don't even know what those things are. Most women don't know. They come to us, no idea that they can actually eat delicious food. I just wrote a story this morning about how salads are delicious, but nobody taught us how to make them good.
Oh my gosh, the salad you made the other night was a crowd pleaser. Everybody was craving, like, I don't eat kale, but why am I eating kale? It tastes so good.
Check out our Substack for all the recipes.
Full blown, for sure. And this flour and sugar thing, I just don't want to underestimate it. And you might think, well, gosh, what am I going to eat? I have flour and sugar in everything. My salad dressing, my breakfast, my lunch, my dinner, my snacks. So it's time to get creative, folks. Time to get back in the kitchen and time to learn to eat foods and make foods that are going to heal your body from the inside out, because the answer is not outside of you with some kind of injection or some kind of therapy session or some kind of, I don't know what, but it's right within you. It is. And you know, I know that a lot of dietitians disagree with this argument. Even the top eating disorder clinic in the world would disagree with this. But you know what? My mom was morbidly obese and she was a compulsive eater. If anyone understands the complexity of compulsive eating disorders, it is absolutely me. And I thought for sure I would have dodged the bullet with my very own daughter, but I didn't. And if you find yourself in a hopeless and situation where you actually feel helpless and completely victimized, know that you can take your power back. That surrendering flour and sugar and becoming sober from flour and sugar is a great first step to make your life so much easier. I'm telling you, so much easier. You want no more food noise? Get rid of it. You want no more cravings? Get rid of it. You want a healthy gut microbiome? You want to get rid of anxiety, depression,
inflammation,
low immunity? Get rid of it. I'm telling you, it's not your friend.
And the third point that helped me so much was sleep. I used to stay up till midnight or 4 a.m. and sleep till 12 p.m. and that ruined my life because I missed out on life and I was always tired because of my diet and also because I wasn't sleeping well.
Yeah, there was a circadian rhythm Nobel Prize winner, and I know that sounds like a big fancy word, but what that means is that when you wake up with the sun and you go to sleep with the sun, everything in your body works better, because I believe obesity is a metabolic dysfunction. And if you want to get your metabolism and your cells and your mitochondria all working in harmony and unison, you definitely want to start paying attention. I actually am writing about this on our Substack, and circadian rhythm science is real and it is proven, and it is ancient healing wisdom, which is what we teach in our 30-day challenge, where you will lose 8 to 10 pounds in 30 days. I mean, that is so exciting. Now, if you just want to get tight skin and get a little healthier, I get that. Join our Tight Club. The Tight Club is a fun place to be, and you'll get all of our secrets on how we lost 260 pounds combined with no loose skin. So I hope to see you inside of one of those challenges.
Don't forget to follow us us on all of our social medias, X, Instagram, and TikTok. And please share this video with someone that you think this could help. And don't forget to comment down below what you learned from this video and subscribe. We really appreciate all of your support. And when you subscribe, you're helping us grow this channel, grow our mission, and grow the journey.
And if you want to see what we're doing behind the scenes in the kitchen, cooking without sugar and flour every day of the week, eating amazing, delicious food, that salad that she just mentioned,
That keeps our skin tight, our waist slim, and we've never gained the 260 pounds we've
and our
lost.
taste buds happy. So if you want all of that abundant joy, recipes galore, subscribe to our Substack. That's where the gold lives.
We'll see you all the time.